In this video, we'll break down how to test for total alkalinity using the Taylor K-2006C Test Kit. The ideal alkalinity range for most commercial pools is 80 to 120 parts per million for a gunite pool and 100 to 150 parts per million for vinyl liner pools. The bottles for testing alkalinity will have green caps. Fill your test tube with 25 milliliters of fresh pool water. Add 2 drops of R0007 thiosulfate reagent and swirl to mix. Then add 5 drops of R0008 total alkalinity indicator and swirl again. The sample should turn green. Now, using R0009 sulfuric acid titrating reagent, add 1 drop at a time, swirling after each drop. Count the drops until the color changes from green to red. That's your endpoint. In our example, it took 10 drops. Multiply the number of drops by 10 to get your total alkalinity in parts per million. So, 10 drops times 10 equals 100 parts per million total alkalinity. Record your result and refer to your Taylor guidebook for interpretation and treatment recommendations. That's how to test for total alkalinity using your Taylor K-2006C kit. Be sure to watch the rest of this test kit series and explore our channel for more pool care how-tos, maintenance advice, and expert product recommendations.